the public eye and squirted lemon juice in it. By now you just wish I'd fucking die, but I electrify, get electrocuted, executed by the execution of my flow too quick for the human eye to detect zooming by. Guess who? What's happening, guys? They told me this shit, I fell off that pot, hop right back on that crapper, and I said fuck it with a capital I. Look who's back to antagonize. You don't like it, you can eat shit, fuck off, little faggot, and die. You right back like a magnet, I might get grabbing in my shit. Better get to the back of the line. If you wanna get your shot at me, what kind of crap is that? Battle, what kind of rapper would I? Before I let another rapper think he's hot, I'll bury my face in his stinky twat and go girl, my headspace is limited, ain't even room in the back of my mind. So I ain't thinking about you, I don't got time, and I told you 1,000 times. So how can I find the time to put an alkaline battery in Royce's back and at the same time put juice in mine? Got